Hey everyone, Stuart from Better Bushcraft. Today I want to talk to you about the Off-Trayals EDC pouch. These EDC pouches are 100% handmade right here in the USA. They feature a YKK zipper for anti-snag and easy zipping. They also feature an Ottertex Pu waterproof nylon liner to keep your valuables safe. They also come with two attachment styles, an ITW D-ring and an ITW 2-inch piece of webbing, which is Molle compliant. They come in a variety of different patterns, such as Czechoslovakian Desert, British Desert DPM, Dutch DPM, Colombian Digiprint, Greek Lizard, Swiss Alpenflage, and German Flecktarn. You guys can find these for sale at betterbushcraft.com. If you guys like what you saw here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this. Thank you. Have a great night.